And they're off. Good even start. Glacial Breeze is showing a little speed. Tuxedo's first is there. From the outside, Maple Syrup is now moving up. And Honorable Kathy is down along the inside. Simpatica is also in the firing line as they line up on the front end. Rocket Toomey now coming through to join them as Glacial Breeze taken just off the pace with 1 lap to go. Skilly runs with 6 lengths to make up. She's outside of Unladylike, then Nina's Gift, May's Gumbo. The trailers right now are Oh So Sybil and Memorable Michelle, and they've got about 14 lengths to make up after a solid quarter of 23 seconds flat. They're strung out going to the backstretch. Maple Syrup is the leader. It's Maple Syrup getting the lead from Rocket Toomey, and these two have now cleared off. Honorable Kathy is getting closer on the outside third. Suddenly Maple Syrup has opened up 4 lengths on the field. So Maple Syrup sprinting along. The half mile was 47-2, and she's the clear leader going to the half mile mark. Rocket Toomey runs second. Glacial Breeze and Skilly are moving on the extreme outside. Honorable Kathy now has 4.5 lengths to make up. Then May's Gumbo and Nina's Gift trying to pick it up. Memorable Michelle is also uncoiling from the back of the pack. They're gaining on Maple Syrup into the turn. Glacial Breeze coming to her from the outside. Maple Syrup, her lead is down to less than a length. Glacial Breeze running at her from the outside. Skilly is coming under a heavy push right now, and she's also closing 3 wide as they come to the top of the lane. Memorable Michelle still 5 lengths off the lead, and they straighten away. Maple Syrup joined by Skilly. Here's Skilly way out on the outside now, going best, and she takes command. Skilly on to the front. Memorable Michelle and Nina's Gift chasing from the outside. Glacial Breeze still there. It's Skilly showing the way. Nina's Gift, Memorable Michelle. Skilly from Memorable Michelle. Skilly beat Memorable Michelle, Nina's Gift, and Glacial Breeze.